People think smiles simply disappear, but they down single quotes. Someone takes them. Late at night, when the city becomes quiet, a lonely boy walks through the empty streets. In his hands, a strange glowing box, and inside that box are the smiles people lost forever. But tonight, the boy discovers a smile that should not exist. Every night, when the city became quiet, a young boy walked slowly through the empty streets. The lights were soft. The rain was light. People were sleeping. But the boy was awake. He held a small wooden box in his hands. It was old, very old, and it glowed softly in the dark. The boy had a special job. He collected lost smiles when the boy was very young. An old man gave him the box. The old man smiled and said, "This box is magic. It can find smiles that people lose. When people become too sad, their smiles leave them. You must keep those smiles safe." The boy asked, "Why me?" The old man said, "Because your heart is kind." The old man disappeared forever. The first smile he found belonged to a little girl. She was crying near a bus stop. She looked cold and lonely. Then suddenly, tiny, glowing smile floated out of her chest. The boy opened the box. The smile entered quietly. The girl stopped crying. She looked peaceful. That was the beginning. Night after night, the boy walked through the city. He found many lost smiles. A tired father coming home late. A woman sitting alone in a cafe. A small child looking out a hospital window. Each time, a smile floated into the air, and each time, the box became brighter. The boy felt proud. He was helping people. But as time passed, the boy became lonely. He never played. He never laughed. He only worked. He only collected. He gave his nights to everyone else. And slowly, he forgot himself. One cold night, he returned home. He looked into the mirror and froze. His reflection was strange. His face was there. His eyes were there. But his smile was gone. It had disappeared. The boy touched his face. He whispered, "No." The room became colder. The box stopped glowing for the first time. The boy felt empty. He remembered the old man's words, "Keep smiles safe." But he forgot one smile. His own tears filled his eyes. Slowly, he opened the box. Inside were hundreds of glowing smiles, warm and beautiful. He reached inside and chose one. A small, soft smile. It looked like hope. The smile floated gently to his chest. Then light filled the room. Warmth returned. The boy smiled, a real smile. His first smile in many years. and he laughed. Softly, the sound filled the house. The next night, the boy walked again, but this time, he smiled too. He still helped others, but now he remembered. You cannot give happiness if your own heart is empty. Sometimes we care for everyone else and forget ourselves. Keep your smile safe, always. In the end, he learned the truth. You can collect happiness for others, but if you forget your own, you will slowly disappear inside. So remember, take care of your smile before you try to save the world.